Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss CAPA and root causes analysis tools in pharmaceutical. CAPA is a quality management system used in pharmaceutical industries. The purpose of corrective and preventive maintenance is to analyze, collect, find out and problem, then take the desirable and appropriate corrective and preventive action to prevent the recurrence. CAPA stands for corrective action and preventive action. Definition of corrective and preventive maintenance. CAPA, corrective action. Corrective action is the action taken to eliminate the causes of an existing problem/nonconformity, defect, or other objectionable events in order to prevent a recurrence. Preventive action. Preventive action is the action taken to eliminate the cause of potential nonconformity, defect, or other undesirable events in order to prevent occurrence. Preventive action is taken to prevent the occurrence. Nonconformity is the non-carryout of a specific requirement. Nonconformance. Non-conformance, either misinterpretation of written instruction, leads to market complaints or customer complaints and failure of equipment or quality management system. Initiation process of corrective and preventive action. Submit the source of information documents to CAR head by the concerned department. According to a source of information or risk factor, CAR head and concerned department decide whether it's need or not. CAR initiates the form along with its identification or reference number for further investigation. CAR numbered it for identification. Concerned department head fills the form with its initiation date and its proposed completion date. Select department by mark in the appropriate box. Mark on the affected site, select not applicable if the system is not affected. Write the description according to the source of information, along with corrective and preventive action. The concerned department head shall fill their name with sign and date. After filling the form, the concerned department head shall send it to CAR for review. CAPA as per HQ 10. A structured approach to identify the process should be used to determine the root cause. Steps involved in corrective and preventive action in pharmaceutical industries. Identification. This is the initial step in the corrective and preventive process, which involves defining the clear problem and source information. Do documentation of available evidence for further use it throughout the investigation process. Initiation of CAPA. CAPA shall be initiated after getting a source of information left parenthesis internal input, internal audit, external input, customer complaint with the CAPA source, change control, deviation, incident report, product recall, man, machine, process method, materials, and environmental. CAPA review. CAR head review for CAPA to determine what action have to take. CAPA acceptance or rejection. Acceptance. Then move forward with the further CAPA initiation process by assigning it a unique identification number for tracking and reference throughout the investigation. Rejection. Document the reasoning and rationale in case the issue repeat. Evaluation and action. Evaluation to determine how much impacts of any problem, risk, and level of action required for this. Example: impact on products and their quality, safety, functional, and customers' need. Assessment of risk is also important and required for immediate remedial action, with remedial action. Investigation process. In corrective and preventive action, conduct a written procedure to ensure the right direction of an investigation process. The process must include the procedure of the action, strategy left parenthesis, the right steps involved in the analysis of root causes, and consideration of a machine, material, personnel, procedure, training, software, and other external factors. Analysis or determine the root causes. By using the right analytical tools to analyze the root cause of a problem, an accurate analysis leads to an effective action plan. This can be done by the following methods: Fishbone/Ishikawa diagram, 5 whys, fault tree analysis and 5M analysis. Ishikawa or fishbone diagram. Ishikawa or fishbone structure is used for the analysis root cause of a problem. As you can see in this image, here is an example of tablets to investigate diameter out of specification. Develop an action plan. The action plan must be developed to prevent from future occurrence. For this, assign the responsibility to the team to correct the problem and prevent from recurrence again. If required, to do a change in process, documents, procedures, and other modifications related to system, and impart training to employees, and also include an action plan form with corrective and preventive action. Develop 5 why for the action plan. 5 whys analysis. To analysis 5 why, not just the 5 question to start why, but each question must be related to the next one. As per shown in image, root cause of out of specification, an untrained person involved in the process. Completeness of the action plan. After action plan, gives role and responsibilities to execute the plan. Create a task list for its implementation. Update procedure, add an inspection step, redesign a process, implementation of additional training for key staff, switch material, modify manufacturing/storage environments. Verification, effectiveness and validation of CAPA. Ensure that the corrective and preventive action are effective and does not adversely affect the end products. Verify and review data associated with it. Also verify verification and validation protocol established. Also review the effectiveness of CAPA to review data to find out if any similar problem is found after implementation of corrective and preventive actions, implementation of changes, implementation of the change likes ensuring if the control documents are reviewed and approved if any change are done, management review CAPA, department head shall certify that CAPA is implemented as per a process, CAR shall verify it along with the supporting documents and certify the same. Copy of it shall be handed out to concerned department head. At last CAR head and a team of QMS will review CAPA to ensure that process properly followed at all stages and was implemented. Summary. After the finish of all follow-up, the CAPA is complete. It should be dated, signed by authorizes department head. That's all about CAPA and its implementation. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.